Discover how to set minimum order quantity in WooCommerce for wholesale, bulk, and B2B customers without complicating the checkout process. For example, here on our website, we can see that the minimum order quantity for this particular product here is 10 units, and we actually can't reduce the quantity. And here we've added some quantity breaks as well to further encourage our customers purchase more with us. So we can see the unit price, the standard unit price is $16.50. However, if they purchase between 15 and 24, they can get it for $14 per unit, and 50 and above, they can get it for $10 per unit. We can also take this a step further by creating quantity packs, right? So for example, we can say there's a minimum of 10 units. However, you got to order in packs of 5, for example. So you can order for 15 or 25, etc. So I'll show you how to achieve all of that. And to do so, we'll be using the Wholesale WP plugin. I'll leave a link in the description below, or head over to wholesalewp.com. Go ahead and download the Wholesale WP plugin. With that being said, let's head over to our dashboard. All right, so this is a product that we're working with. And once you've installed and activated a Wholesale WP plugin, if we go ahead and edit this product, and we can add this minimum quantity order in a few different places. So we can do it per category. We can do it on a global level, so it applies to all product, or we can do it on a product by product basis, which is what we're doing now. So here we are on this product page here, and we've got group prices and tiers. This is where we can set different quantity breaks. But what we're interested in is if we navigate over to where it says Wholesale WP here, and then when we scroll down, we've got some additional settings. So we can add our quantity rules here. So for example, we can say there's a minimum order quantity for all users of 10 units exclusively to our B2B customers. So we've got a few groups here, such as suppliers, wholesalers, distributors, and so on, and with various different rules per user group. I'll leave a link in the description below that shows you how to add various different groups and restrict certain features based on the group. All right, so as I said, we can add our min quantity here, our max, and we can sell in packs as well. So in packs of 5, for example. Once we're happy with everything, we just need to go ahead and update this. All right. And now let's refresh this page. All right. So now when we add our quantity picker, as you can see, it's increasing in units of 5. So packs of 5. All right. So this is our product level. I'll quickly show you how you can bulk do it on a global level. We'll head over to our dashboard. We'll navigate over to Wholesale WP here, and then we'll click on dynamic rules. All right, and then from here we can just add a new rule, right? And we'll set the rule type as, let's scroll down. Okay, we'll say minimum order. We can give this a name, it's just for internal purposes. And we can set which product we want this to apply to, so all product, or select the specific product. So I'll say all product just to keep it super simple. And then we'll want to say who we want this to apply to keep everything simple. I'm going to say everyone. We can set it for B2B customers, B2B groups, or a combination. As I said, I'm going to do it to everyone just so we can see it. And this is a quantity rule. Here we can say 10. All right. I'll set this to apply for each product. Let's create and activate this rule. All right. Okay. And now we'll actually have a look at a different product. So we'll go store and let's check this product out. All right. Here we can see a minimum quantity of 10. So our rule is working as expected. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box.